It feels fresh and cool.
Make coffee?
I make a cup of coffee.
The smell?
The smell of coffee fills the air.
Sit and sip?
I sit at the table and take a sip.
How do you like it?
I like it warm and a little sweet.
What for breakfast?
I eat bread with butter and cheese.
Sometimes?
Sometimes I eat eggs and fruit.
Check your phone?
Yes, I check my phone while I eat.
Read messages?
I read a few messages from friends.
Weather.
I look at the weather for today.
What does it say?
It says it will be sunny.
Plan your day?
I plan my day in my notebook.
Write what?
I write down what I need to do.
Bag.
Check my bag? I check my bag to make sure I have everything.
Items.
What do you take? I take my wallet, keys, and phone.
Shoes.
I wear my shoes and jacket.
Feeling ready?
I feel ready to go out.
Leave the house.
I leave the house.
Morning air?
The morning air feels cool.
Street.
Walk down the street.
See?
I see cars and people everywhere.
Greet anyone?
I smile at a neighbor and say hello.
Sky.
The sky is blue and clean.
Bus.
Go to bus stop.
Wait.
I wait for the bus to arrive.
Time.
The bus comes after a few minutes.
Board.
I get on and greet the driver.
Seat.
I find a seat near the window.
View.
I look outside and watch the city move.
People.
People hurry to work or school.
Music.
I listen to music on my phone.
Think.
I think about what I need to do today.
Scenery.
The bus passes shops and trees.